Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechWest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add money to your Venmo balance. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. So the first thing, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Venmo account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to click on the dollar icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. And as you tap on the icon, you'll be directed to your profile page, and once you're on this page, you need to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner. Next, you'll be directed to the settings page, and right on this page you need to select payment method, which is right in between. And as you tap on the plus icon, a drop down menu will appear, and from there what you need to do is you need to select bank, which is right on top. As you tap on bank, next page you need to enter the bank information or the account information. So what you need to do is you need to link your bank account to your Venmo, and after that you need to transfer the amount from the bank to your Venmo, and that is how you can add money to your Venmo balance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.